What is up, guys? Your boy Mike back with another video here. Doing some pressure washing outside, and old CabinBoys Four Wheeler is looking pretty muddy. I mean, the rain washed most of it off the past 2 weeks. It was sitting outside, but I like to take and clean it up once in a while and check everything out there. It looks like leaking a little bit of something there, but yeah, we're gonna get the pressure washer fired up and clean this thing up, and that's definitely due for some new tires on it, so maybe we'll see about getting some of them ordered. But anyways, yeah, here I'm gonna clean this thing up here for the boy. I might do some stuff to this summer. I don't know. I was thinking about getting a new plastic kit for it. That piece broke there, and some new tires and stuff like that. But I'll have to see how it goes. Right now it runs pretty good and no problems with it. But I always think about, you know, redoing it, making it better. But anyways, that concludes this video. I hope you all liked it, and we'll talk to you later.